Check in the text below this video and also in the comments section. I'll provide a link for either this exact product or something similar. It helps me out if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Here I am, hanging out by the toilet again. It's not that I like hanging out by the toilet, but I just seem to keep doing these reviews on toilet cleaners. So let's check out these toilet stamps by Scrubbing Bubbles 6 weeks later and see how they really held up. Let's check out the one that's got the blue stamp in it first. Now, to be fair, this one is not supposed to be a cleaner. It presents as neutralizing odors in the air with anti-odor technology, which I wish I'd looked a little bit better because I don't really need one for no odor. I need one that for cleaning. We'll see how it did. So I haven't cleaned these toilets in 6 weeks, and with the water that we have, this is what we get. I used to put bleach tablets in the tank, but that ended up rotting the mechanisms that make the toilet flush. So I wasn't surprised to see this little bit of mold and mildew in here. There's the stamp. You can see that, I don't know, it looks like a breath mint or something. Still weird, still there. This is the least used toilet in the house. It gets flushed maybe 15 times a week, but I can't smell anything. It had a really strong aroma, odor, scent the first day or two, but then I couldn't really tell that it was doing anything, and it didn't keep my toilet clean. Besides, I have this on the back of the toilet in case anybody needs it for odor control. So, can't really recommend this one that neutralizes odors in the air unless you just want to neutralize odors in the toilet for one day. What I'm going to do is actually clean the toilets and then put one of these in there. This is my favorite thing that helps keep my toilets clean. It has bleach in it, but it doesn't rot the mechanisms in the tank, but it does put some bleach down in the toilet water so I don't get that mildew and the staining and all like that. So I like this one. I think this one has a very mild scent to it, but I don't care about the smell. I care about not having the funk in the toilet bowl. Now let's check on the one that's supposed to help prevent buildup of limescale on toilet rings, the fresh gel, which is the pink one. I'm a little bit more impressed with this one. Also haven't cleaned this one in 6 weeks. This toilet gets flushed more than any toilet in the house. I'm going to say upwards of 30-40 times a week. You can see this gel is still there. Looks like some kind of unicorn jellyfish poop, but it's still there. And I haven't cleaned this toilet, and it looks pretty clean. I mean, I can still see a ring right there because we have really hard water. It's going to leave a ring, but I don't see the mold and mildew. I see a little spots in there. A few spots in there. Let me back the camera up a little bit. I see a few spots in there, but I don't see that mold and mildew like I did in the other tub. So I mean, I'm cool with that. I haven't put anything in here. Like, a lot of things been in here is, you know, people, things, and then toilet paper. So I did keep it clean for 6 weeks. It's still hanging in there. Just looks weird. Just weird. So would I use this one again? Well, seeing as I have another stamp in there, yeah, I'm going to use it again. But I'm going to go back to my old standby. These are just my favorite. They have worked the best. They work the longest. And I don't mind the way that they look hanging in my toilet. Watch my video about them. Another drawback to these stamp things, I can't really clean my toilet. Like, I can't really put anything else in there as long as this little stamp's hanging on there. I guess I could clean around it, but with these, I can slide them around and clean the toilet, you know, in between, and it just gives me greater satisfaction that, you know, something clean's going on in the toilet bowl. So there's that. So I cleaned the toilet that had this dot in it. You can still see that it has the one that's supposed to give you the scent, and I put one of the ones that's supposed to keep it clean in the back here. And it's just, there's this much junk left in here. Don't really know what I'm supposed to do with this, but I'm just going to set it here and see if any of the gel will like get into the water And there's that much left on there. So it's just kind of a messy, weird product. Weird. So for me, these belong here. Thanks for watching my video about the Scrubbing Bubbles toilet stamps. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a positive comment. It's also free to leave a negative comment. It's free to share the video if appropriate. And if you'll check in the links below, or if you're checking the text below, I'll provide a link on how you can buy these if you want to buy them for yourself, or at least go shopping for something that might work better for you. And until next time, let's just help each other solve problems about stuff that we all share, right? If you have time before you go, watch another video, and remember, I'm going to link these to the other toilet cleaners that I like better at the end of this video, and also in the text below this video, so that'll help you out. Bye.